How to hide your TikTok account from your contacts. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's begin. Launch TikTok app on your device. Now tap profile at bottom right corner and head towards the gear icon or the three-bar menu icon at top right corner to access setting in privacy menu. Select that. Choose the privacy option under account. Here you will see suggested or suggest your account to others. Select that and make sure you turn off the button for contacts. Now this will hide your TikTok account from your contacts. When you come back, you need to select sync contacts and Facebook friends and make sure you turn off the button for sync contacts. By following these two steps, you will successfully hide your TikTok account from your contacts. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.